nitrogen generator, oxygen generator, installation pipeline cable.
Next, I will introduce the pipeline connection method. All pipelines have been designed and manufactured to be ready in the CAN gas workshop. Their flanges are marked with numbers. We only need to butt the flanges according to the numbers, put in the gaskets, and tighten the bolts to complete the pipeline installation. Remember that the air tightness of the pipeline should be tested after connection. After the pipeline installation is completed, let me introduce cable connection work. The electrical cabinet that needs to be connected with cables in the system includes air compressor, dryer, and oxygen or nitrogen generator. Firstly, let me show you the cables connection of the air compressor. The cables to be connected are these: the main power cable, the remote start and stop control cable, and the air compressor alarm cable. The connection position of the main power cable is here, and the remote start and stop control cable and the air compressor alarm cable need to be led from the generator system main control cabinet to the terminals block of the air compressor control cabinet. Secondly, let me show you cable connection for the system main control cabinet, the cable connection between the generator and the desiccant dryer. The cables for the system main control cabinet are connected on the terminals block inside. Just do it according to the electrical diagram. The power and control cables of the dryer is led out from the main control cabinet and it is plug and play connector. We only need to connect them according to the numbers on the terminal block. Note, please review the electrical wiring diagram for details.
In summary, these are contents of general instruction for nitrogen generator, oxygen generator, installation pipeline cable. Thank you for watching.